Ta-da!
What's up, everybody? So today, on this episode, we're going to be installing 1-inch lowering blocks on the back of this 056. I went to Switch Performance or Switch Suspension and ordered them for this car. Whatever brand that is, I can't say it. Can you?
No, it's good.
It's McGardy's or something.
Yeah.
But anyhow, we're going to slap these on the back of the car, bleed the brakes out, and who knows from there.
Now hopefully this 1-inch will complement the 2-inch drop on the front.
Yes.
Set it down a little bit, trying to get a custom look. So
That way we can drag mufflers.
hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoy.
Like and subscribe and enjoy. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna jack the car up. Let me pause it. Hell yeah. So I'm gonna let the jack back down and it should sit right down on there. Look at that. All right, well, let's see. May end up having to cut some of these threads off the bottom of these because these things look long. Shit, that ain't gonna work. All right, we're gonna pause y'all while we figure out what we gonna do here. It's always something. Nothing just goes together. That's why it's fun, right? All right, so of course we're gonna call this first problem.
First hurdle.
It's not in the screen. Hold on. He's got it way down here where. So our threads aren't run up far enough on these U-bolts here. So even with the 1-inch, it's still far from where it needs to be. So we're gonna make new threads.
Maybe.
Attempt to make new threads. But that's going to take a while because it's a lot of work to do that. So we're going to cut the camera off till we get these done. And we'll remember to cut our mics on because on the last video our mics happened to cut themselves off. So there's some
Technical difficulties.
chance some of that video does not have the best audio. Y'all stick with us and we'll be back soon. All right, so what we're doing, rough, but we're cutting new threads with this die here. It comes in your standard normal, well, some of them come with your taps and then you have your dies. So we found what thread it was, which is 1/2 by 20.
So this is what we have the new ones to work with and the old ones here. You see the difference, even with the block, the 1-inch lowering block, it's still not enough. Here, so we're going to cut the threads back a little bit on them. To give you an idea of what's going on.
Yeah. I mean, most people should, or most just watching this probably know what we're doing more better than we do.
This is the tap and die set, so this is a die.
Yeah.
It's a process. It's a long process.
All right, so once you get your die all the way down to the bottom of your threads, you take this here fancy tool. And unfortunately, this kit's a fairly decent kit, so neither handle comes off of it. And you just keep on easing it down, and it'll cut new threads as you're turning it.
It's not a hard process. It's just a time-consuming process.
Yeah. And we're using this awesome setup because I hadn't brought my vise over from the other shop yet. All right, guys, so we finally got these threads cut in these U-bolts. Got one side put in somewhat. They're not super tight by no means, but we got threads, so we're gonna run this up here and then we'll cut these off. And all right, guys, I'm gonna get these U-bolts on this side tightened up, and maybe we get on the other side after we cut these off.
Good cutting them down, or
Yeah.
cutting threads into them.
Nice. We have some, is that our flag? Huh?
Huh?
Is that our flag?
Now, yeah.
We got a shop flag now. America.
You pause it.
No, we got a shop dog that showed up today. It's a good old dog.
You got a shop dog and a shop flag all in the same day. I don't know what's going on. America. Got America written all over it, don't it? Go ahead, lower it down. Give me some down. All right, now.
I go up with the axle.
Yep, go back up. That's good. A little bit sideways.
Had a seat down.
All right, pin up. All right, lower down.
You gonna do it that way?
What do you mean?
I put it on the bottom, but it don't matter either way.
What are you talking about?
I put it on the leaf spring and then lower the axle on it.
That's fine. It don't matter. Go ahead and lower down. Or, yeah, lower down. Look, keep going. Nope. Can't see. Going now. It ain't seating. All right, raise it back up for just a second so I can see which way it's got to go.
Put it on the damn.
All right, ease her down.
Watch your fingers. I won't pinch.
Ease it down. I'm out of the way. That'll work. It wasn't too bad. One of these. What was that?
He's just out.
Dog shows up today. Hey guys, what's up?
I think I live here.
Been needing the shop dog.
Need a shop dog, guess we. Ain't the same length, but it'll be okay. You okay, pup? Alright, guys. Well, we're going to try and bleed these brakes real quick. Gotta get all our stuff together. We wasn't going to do it today, but
We want to see what the car looks like set down on lowering blocks.
yeah, I guess that's our excuse.
The 1 inch lowering blocks.
I wouldn't normally catch it, but I'm just gonna put it.
I felt the pedal go down that time.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
To the floor.
Alright.
Huh?
Alright.
Yes, sir. To the floor.
Brake lights work.
Well, we did what we need to do.
Get off the jack stand yet?
Nope, keep going. Yep, this one's free. This one's out. That leveled it out.
And it's barely noticeable.
Mm-hmm. It's subtle.
You go for a ride? You want to go for a ride? Wham!
That's the final product.
Yeah, it ain't a lot, but it's a little. It'll settle too, so we'll see what happens.
I want to explain where this came from.
That's fine.
Out here at the shop, you never know who might stop by. Josh's dad stopped by today and brought us an old flag. They replaced theirs over to July 4th. So we got us a shop flag now.
Yeah, we're gonna hang it on one of these rafters, probably right there. That's a good fine spot for it.
Flying in the wind.
Yep, but we are done with it for today. New wheel cylinders,
Lowering pit.
lowered kit on the back. We bled the rear brakes. We got pedal.
Been a day full.
Yeah.
What else was it?
Doggo.
Yeah, we got a shop dog now. He just decided to take up. So.
But other than that, y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We hope y'all enjoyed it. And we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, shop dog just showed up.
Say bye.